Dealing with the Mfc90.dll runtime error is the last thing you need today. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I've diagnosed the fix for this specific conflict. Before we get started with Mfc90, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This DLL file is the Microsoft Foundation class library for Visual Studio 2008. It is used by hundreds of Windows applications to manage menus, dialogs, and standard graphics routines in the 2008 runtime environment. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Reinstalling Microsoft Visual C++ is usually the quickest solution. Go to Microsoft's site, grab the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers, and install them to replace the missing file. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Mfc90 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace the Mfc90.dll with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to the Mfc90. Thank you for trusting us with the Mfc90 repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.